Why are these changes needed? Right now, First Nations have no formal role in court processes involving member children. They sometimes aren't even aware that a child from their nation has been adopted by a non-Indigenous family or is the subject of a guardianship order. They are not given an opportunity to appear in court and have a say. This is not fair, and it is not acceptable. Under this legislation, First Nations would be automatically notified and could appear in court whenever someone applies for private guardianship of children in their band. Under this legislation, every guardianship application for a child in care would be made under the same process. Every child would benefit from a mandatory home study, cultural connection plan, and ongoing supports that meet their needs. Right now, children also lose financial supports for permanency if their guardian dies, moves away, or otherwise changes. This is wrong. No child should be deprived of the supports that they need, and no caregiver should be prevented from stepping up because they lack the financial means to care for a loved one. Under this legislation, financial supports would stay with the child to help pay for counseling, respite care, transportation, and other important services. Mandatory decision-making criteria would require courts and caseworkers to consider every facet of a child's safety and well-being when deciding whether to remove a child from a home, grant a guardianship order, or make any other life-altering decisions. We would also ensure that supports follow the children. Bill 22 would also create new transparency around public reporting, including requiring Children's Services to report every death, injury, and serious incident within 4 days. This would make the system more open and accountable than ever before.